Welcome back, my friends. John from Live for Wild channel. Hey, just got a package in the mail. Be kind of a stupid video if this ain't the right guy, wouldn't it? He contacted me, wanted my address, and we've traded things back and forth a long time ago. He sent me a package, a little care package. He knew I was going to be down. It's been a week since surgery. I am struggling with my pain right now. Pull it off here if I can show you. There's my bruising all the way down in my knee. We might have figured it out. Oxycontin might not work for me. So I got off that today. I'm feeling much better, like I should be. I can definitely handle pain, but I walked around with a bad knee for a couple of years, but anyways, got a package in the mail. Let's open what's in the box. Let's open up the box. Won't show you the other side because it's try to make this quick. Little bag. Box is gone. That is too funny. A little bit of entertainment. Looks like I'm going to watch like John Wick and join in the fun. Some Big Red. Some Reese's Pieces. Good thing my kids ain't around. And some Swedish fish. Oh. And let's see. How cool is that? A little bit of off-grid. A little bit of a prepper. I have been bored out of my mind because I ain't been good enough to go out wandering and walking. But I don't know how you got these guns through the mail. But, brother man, I appreciate you. I know you got no... Feel better, buddy, MP or WP. So, if it ain't, go check out this guy's channel. Great guy, Michigander. We've known each other for, well, he's one of the old schoolers. I known him for forever. He was one of my first guys I subscribed to and contact and interacted with. He's been around for a long time. Check out his channel. The guy is one heck of a guitarist, if that's what you say. My dad plays. My sister plays. I didn't get none of that stuff. I can't carry a tune in a bushel basket. But, alright. I want to cut this short. Thank you again, brother. I appreciate the thoughts and prayers. Everybody out there. I'll give you an update next week after the holiday. Everybody have a great Memorial Weekend. Remember what Memorial Weekend's for. All the veterans, or all the people that we lost serving our beautiful country. So, all right, thanks again. Take care.